Greetings and salivations, everyone. I'm Krista, this is Fisher, and welcome to C-Rad. Today we are unbagging and reviewing the GROGU plush ears from Wish Upon Magic, so stay tuned.
C-Rad.
Well, hello everyone. Welcome. We hope everyone's doing totally rad today. There's a company called Wish Upon Magic, and they do all kinds of really fun Disney things. And they do handmade ears, but they only release them in kind of like certain times. So what they do is they call them restocks. So their restock on their plush GROGU ears came available about a month ago now, and I ordered them that day as soon as they became available, and they are finally made and shipped. And we have them here, guys! I'm so excited. I can't wait to dive into this bag and check out these ears. And I've got a sticker in there, too. So, Wish Upon Magic, you've probably seen them on Facebook and Instagram. They do really cool stickers, is pretty much what their biggest bulk is. But other than stickers, they do car decals and magnets. They do sun catchers. They do stationery. And of course, like the ears I got, they do the mouse ears in different themes. They are a pretty cool company. I'm glad I came across them. So yeah, let's do it. Let's take these ears out of the bag and see how they look. But Fisher, I'm gonna put you to the side. Are you good with that, little dude?
I'm good with that.
Alright, little man. Boop. We will see you in a little bit. So my ears arrived, guys, and okay, nothing against this company. I haven't seen the product yet, but I was really hoping they would be in a box. I really hope they're not damaged inside. It's just in a regular plastic envelope. There is no padding inside it whatsoever. It doesn't feel like they're wrapped up in anything, so that does have me a little bit concerned. So yeah, let's open this up. Inside was an envelope. I thought maybe there was a note inside it, but it's my invoice and my sticker. And actually, stickers, I should say. They did throw a couple extra in there. And there was a thanks so much little note written on that. But I'm going to start with these stickers that they sent. They sent a Wish Upon Magic one. And that's just their logo. That's really cute. Their stickers are great quality too. They're vinyl, they're waterproof, you can run them through the dishwasher. So definitely not your average paper sticker. And this one's really cool, guys. It's the soda bottles from Galaxy's Edge. I love that. I think that's really awesome. But that's not the sticker that I got with my order, guys. I ordered a GROGU sticker. Look at him. He's got little Mickey balloons carrying little GROGU over the landscape. I think that is just totally adorable. It's a little smaller than I thought it was going to be. I didn't really look into the size of the stickers when I ordered it. The reason I got the sticker is because they run a promotion where if you buy over $15 worth of merchandise from them, you can pick a free sticker. So he was free. And he's really cute. I might have to find a way to put him on my cell phone or somewhere really special because I really adore this guy. He's really fun. But stickers isn't our main task today. The main task is checking out those GROGU mini ears. Are you ready, guys? How super adorable are these? And yeah, they seem to be okay. They're not even smushed. I was afraid that this part of the ears was going to get bent in that envelope they were sent in. But nope, they look to be in perfect and pristine condition, luckily. They're very light. And the first thing I've noticed off the bat on these guys is a lot of times the mini ears, they have something inside that makes them stiff and hard and stick up. There's nothing inside of these. They're just the fabric, guys. There's not even polyfill inside of them. So that helps and makes them really light. So it's all made out of this cute fuzzy plush material, except for the inside of the ears, which is felt. Now with these, they do also offer an option to get lights put in them, but I was afraid with the lights in them, they'd be way too heavy. I bought these because I want to wear them to Star Wars Celebration. Not 100% sure if I'm going to yet or not, but it's probably a good possibility. Comfort is going to be the main factor in deciding that. Inside the headband, they don't have a comb. It's like a velvety material. So I like the ones that have the combs inside so it doesn't kind of fall off your head. It catches on your hair. But alright, let's try these on, see if they're comfortable, see how they fit, and see if they slide around. So trying these on. The headband has some good give. It doesn't feel too tight. It feels pretty comfortable on my head. I actually barely noticed that I'm wearing them. But what do you think of these? How fun are those? I got some big Grogu mini ears going on. They are really super fun. So I guess the question is going to be, if I move my head, yeah, see, they slide off pretty easy. You could add some bobby pins or clips in there so it doesn't do that. I mean, for the most part, I really had to bang my head forward really hard to get them to move. So I think if I'm wearing them that day that they're not going to move around too much. I shouldn't lose them. I'm going to be doing my hair a little bit differently maybe, but we'll see. I'm going to wear them around the house a little bit after I do this video to see if they give me a headache or how they feel after wearing them for probably like an hour or so. And I will update you on how that is in the comments of this video, just so you know how they survived my hour test. But overall, they are really super cute. I am really happy with them. Kind of fixed the bow a little bit there. I know I'm looking at myself, sorry, as I'm doing this, so that I can get the best shape on them possible so you guys can see them in all of their glory. Now again, these are an item that they don't have available all the time, but they do restocks on them from time to time. The best way to find out when they're going to have the next release on these ears is to follow their Instagram account, and I will put the link to their website and the Instagram account in the description of the video for you so you can follow them and know when these fun things are coming. I think they also have Facebook too, so I'll put that down there as well if I can find that link for you too. But cost on these ears without the LED lights was $54.99. Cost-wise, is it worth it? I'll tell you when my head hurts or doesn't hurt, but quality-wise, they are put together really well. Now, you guys know I also love the plushie ears from Cinderella Creations on Etsy, and so far, her price is a lot better, but she doesn't do anything quite as fantastic as these. She did do these for me, which are the mint green ones with the pink bow. And color-wise, yes, this one's more of a Grogu green. This one's, it's a greenish blue, but it still was kind of Grogu themed. So comparison-wise, I like hers because they have the combs inside. It's like a silicone comb, so it doesn't dig into your head. Weight-wise, these are much lighter. Definitely a lighter ear. Quality-wise, they are both comparable to each other. Price-wise, again, because these are a more simpler ear, these are less expensive. These have a little bit more detail to them, so they are a little bit more expensive when it comes to mouse ears. But I love them both. I will keep an eye out. They are talking about doing a stitch pair, which I am totally after a stitch pair like these because, yeah, that would just be totally rad. And I would love to wear those to Disneyland sometime. So, yeah, I'm going to be stalking them for those stitch ones, hopefully in the near future. Fingers crossed. So, rating these on our scale of totally bad to totally rad. So far, they are a totally rad to me, guys. They're not a beyond. They might be. You know, even standing here for this few minutes doing the video, I really cannot feel them on my head. So I think we may have some success with these for Star Wars Celebration. But again, I'll wear them for an hour and then I'll update you on the comments when I put this video on YouTube. But in the meantime, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you enjoyed it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more awesome and totally rad things in the future, please subscribe to our channel and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss seeing us. And I guess there's only one thing left to say, right? We'll see ya later.